कुडचडे न्यू मार्केट या नावानं प्रसिद्ध असलेली कुडचडेतील मार्केटची पोर्तुगीजकालीन इमारत आता पुन्हा एकदा चर्चेत आली। याचं कारण असं आहे की 3.5 वर्षापूर्वी ही इमारत जीर्ण झाल्याचं कारण देऊन स्थानिक नगरपालिकेनं सर्व दुकानं तिथल्या व्यापाऱ्यांना रिकामी करण्यास भाग पाडलं होतं। मात्र अद्याप ही इमारत पुन्हा उभारण्याच्या हालचाली होत नसल्यानं व्यापाऱ्यांनी संतप्त प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त केली। कुडचडे बाजारातील न्यू मार्केट इमारत पोर्तुगीजकालीन आहे। आता ती जुनी झाली असं कारण देऊन स्थानिक नगरपालिकेनं 3.5 वर्षांपूर्वी सर्व दुकानदारांना बाहेर जाण्यास सांगितलं। तिथल्या दुकानदारांना वेगळी जागा देण्यात आली, मात्र ती अपुरी आहे। अशा जागेत त्यांचा व्यवसाय पूर्वीप्रमाणे होत नाही। तसंच स्थानिक नगरपालिका नवी इमारत बांधण्याच्या कसल्याही हालचाली करत नाही। या प्रकारामुळे कंटाळलेल्या तिथल्या दुकानदारांनी ही इमारत तातडीनं उभारावी आणि आपल्याला दिलासा दिला जावा अशी आग्रही मागणी केली।
दिगंबर लक्ष्मण आडवेकर हे 90 कुडचड्या वयल्या 90/10 सर्वे नंबरा भितर एक म्युनिसिपालिटी ओल्ड बिल्डिंग बांदलेली कोणें पुर्तुगेजान स्टार्ट केल्ली। पुर्तुगेजान स्टार्ट करतकीर पुर्तुगेज इनकम्प्लीट डेव्हलप पुर्तुगेज गेलो। ते नंतर ती पंचायती पडली, पंचायतीन ती कंप्लीट केली आणि आमकां दुकान दिली आणि ते टायमार आमकां भाडें बीन ते टायमार कमी प्रमाणात दिली म्हणटो। मागीर ते नंतर आमी तेजेर पोट भरले सगळे दुकानवाल्यांनी, कशें ना पोट भरले ते दुकानाचे आमी। मागीर 2019 सुद्दां हांवें म्युनिसिपालिटी 4-5 लेटर केली पंचायतीक आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीक की असो प्लास्टर पडटा तेन्ना तुमी तो रिपेर करचें म्हणून। रिपेर करचें म्हणलें जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटीन जावं पंचायतीन कांयच केलें ना। आमी स्वता पयशे म्हणून थोडे रिपेर केले, तरी पूण मागीर आमी ते म्युनिसिपालिटी सुद्दां हांवें म्हाजे कडेन रिकॉर्ड आसा म्युनिसिपालिटी हांवें लेटर केली ती कांयच तेणी एक न्याय पयसो हांवें आयज सुद्दां धरून ही बिल्डींग तेणी एक पयसो हें केलें ना, मोडलें ना। आनी पयलीं आमकां भाडें आशिल्लें पळय ते नंतर एक 2000 1999 कितें म्युनिसिपालिटी एक सर्कुलर येयलो BMAतल्यान म्युनिसिपालिटी की तुमगे कितें म्युनिसिपालिटी इनकम वाडोवचें म्हणून। तेन्ना हे म्युनिसिपालिटी कोण चेअरमॅन आनी एक बॉडीन एक हें रिजर्वेशन घेतलें आनी आमगेलें तेणें कितें म्हणलें कितें वाडय म्हणलें हेणें आमकां मिटराक 30 रुपया प्रमाणान भाडें लायलें आनी तें आमी जे पळय 100 भरताले ते आमकां 600 पडले। तरी पूण हेणें आमी फारीक केले तरी पूण एक पयसो खर्च केलो ना आनी इतली दश जावपाक कारणीभूत म्युनिसिपालिटी हें न्ही तें रिपेर केल्लें कांय जावनासलें। अरे समज एक घरान नळ फुटलो तो घातलो जाल्यार वास पेड्यार जायना न्ही, वास पेड्यार जातकीर तुगेलें घर मोडटलें। बरें आतां तुमी तें केलें ना तें केलें ना आनी आतां ही पळय 3.5 वर्सां जालीं आमकां भायर काडलें दुकानां बिल्लींग मोटो म्हणून। बिल्लींग मोटो म्हणून जर आमकां भायर काडून आतां कांयच नासतना आमगे संवसार भुरगीं बाळां आमकां त्रासां उडयल्यात। बिल्लींग रोखडी बांदपा न्ही मोट्ट म्हणून जर तुमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन जर बिल्डींग मोट्ट म्हणून जर तुमी रिपोर्ट केल्लो तुमगे इंजिनियरान जर अनसेफ म्हणून दिली, आमी इंजिनियर हाडून आमगे इंजिनियरान रिपोर्ट केल्लो, लायसन्स होल्डर इंजिनियर आमी हाडलेलो आनी सर्वे करून तेणें आमकां रिपोर्ट दिल्लो ते प्लास्टर तर करीत जाल्यार तें 20 वर्सां ते बिल्डींग कांय जायना म्हणून। हेणी तो आमगे रिपोर्ट आयकलो ना, तेंगेलो रिपोर्टाचेर आमकां भायर काडले। बरें आमी बरें आमी भायर सरले ना, आमी भायर सरले न्ही, पूण तुमी आजून कित्याक आजून जालें ना ती आनी कित्याक मोडना? 3.5 वर्सां जाल्यार कित्याक मोडोन ती आजून सुद्दां बिल्डींग? डिमांड आतां तेणें जाता तितलें म्युनिसिपालिटी आमच्या मिनिस्टरान आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी मिनिस्टरान आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान येवन तितून लक्ष घालून आमकां तितूंतल्यान मातशें साल्वार करचें कितें जाल्यार तेजें हें करून आमगे भुरगीं बाळां पोट न्ही तें आमगेलें तें मोडपाची नाल्यार आमकां एक रिपेर करून आमकां तें चालू करपा दिवपाची, नाल्यार तुमी मोडा मोडून आमकां बांदून दिया आमगे एग्रिमेंट बी करा न्ही। आमगे मोडपा कांय ना, मोडपा आमगे ऑब्जेक्शन कांय ना, पूण मोडटा म्हणून आतां 3.5 वर्सां जालीं कशें जावप?
Panchayat building, I will call it, was occupied somewhere in the year 60 to 63 by the shopkeepers. From the time the building is constructed till they put the people out of the building, not a single rupee work, maintenance work was done for the building. Further to say, this is the main hub, the main economical building of Kucharam. This was supposed to be known as a new market. Around this market were all hawkers sitting down there, and this is right in the center of the market. On this market, the other surrounding shops were having their sale. Now, for the last 3.5 years, the municipality and the chief officer and the MLA, they said that the building is going to collapse, and as per the PWD's report. Now I don't know whether these engineers were really qualified to give such a report, because after 3.5 years the people left the building is intact with the exception of the plastering is gone, which could have been done up and these people could have survived here. But no, if the new building was to be constructed, the MLA and the concerned authority, the municipality, should have got everything ready first, the sanction and everything ready first, the plan ready first, and then they should have put these people out. Why I am saying this? Because 3.5 years the building is as it is, as the people were sent out, plaster, yes, I do agree the plastering has been collapsing. That is because the maintenance is not done. If even in the houses, if the maintenance is done, because this thing in Goa, it does happen, the collapsing of the plastering. It is replastered, it lives for another 5-6 years, which work was not done by the municipality. The people are put out, the businessmen, they are struggling to survive. And at the same time, due to this corona effect, the people who were removed out from this building are struggling to pay the rent because they have taken the shops in other buildings, and they are struggling actually to maintain their family, which is a sad affair. The first thing is that it is difficult for them to survive with the way the things are going on. The second thing is that the main economy of the local market is finished by the municipality and the concerned authority. Now we request, after all this time, there were several meetings taken between the market association, since I am the market association president, the people from this building and the MLA. Every time we went down there, they said, you believe in me, I will do it within a spare of 6 months to 1 year's time. 1 year's time, I'm going to get it done. Now 3.5 years approximately. I request our kind minister now, Cabral, to please look into this matter very deeply, because the survival of these people who are set in some people are surviving, I'm not saying all, some people are surviving who are doing okay, but most of the people are not doing okay, and they have been coming and several times meeting us. This was taken up by me and the owner of this shop, and we had asked them to give us sign a memorandum so that the building could be demolished and immediate construction could be done. But till today they have not been very transparent on this issue. Even the chairperson, last chairperson, we have been several times, he said within 8 days time it is done, finished, give me a distinct demolition. But we had asked him, sign the agreement, and then we are ready to do this thing. In fact, with all these things, the people had to go to the court. When we went to the court, there were orders to be followed from the court, which are also not followed. So now I feel, as an MLA, as a minister, and being concerned about the local population and the local market, which is going down, the economy of this particular market is going down, and mining, which was also started as in a standstill. We are also for mining, but legal mining, and with all these things, the atmosphere of Kurcharam market is practically dead. If the minister, who's most of the time not been able to see in the market nowadays, we would request him to please kindly take up an urgent meeting with the owners and the municipality. If need be, we market association will also come and do the needful immediately, so the lives of these people are not put at stake. At the same time, this market comes up. Be little attentive to your elected body, to the people who have elected you, and revive this building, get the building done, so that economy of this market will also come up. This is my kind request to you. So please do follow it up and do it at the urgent.
स्थानिक आमदार आणि वीज मंत्री निलेश काब्राल व्यापाऱ्यांच्या या आवाहनाला कशा प्रकारे प्रतिसाद देतात हे पाहणं औत्सुक्याचं आहे. यश सावर्डेकर, गोवन वार्ता लाईव्ह, कुडचडे.